how to change live transcribe voice for typed responses on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Hearing Enhancement. After click on hearing enhancement, you will see first option is live transcribe. Click on live transcribe. After click on live transcribe, click on open live transcribe. After click on live transcribe, click on this settings icon. After click on this settings icon, click on more settings. Here, after click on more settings, you will see click on voice for type responses. If you want to change live transcribe voice for typed responses, so you will see language is here. You will select language, so you will select 1, 2. When you type response in live transcribe, when you type response in live transcribe, your message will be read aloud in this voice. When you type response in live transcribe, your message will be read aloud in this voice. After the process, click on one. Go back to home screen. When you type response in live. So that's how you can change the live transcribe voice for typed responses on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.